Oh, so nice not to play in pubs and clubs. Yay. So this is the Bernard Fanning song, you know it well. And so I've changed a little bit. I'm going to do a little bit of a whistle thing in it. And if you want to whistle along, you can. Okay? It's called SongBird. Actually, Gordy, do you want to come and do the whistle for us up here into a mic? Do you want to? Come on. Come on. This is my friend Gordy. He's the local postman. Alright, have we got another mic? Yeah. You need one. You need one. You're not taking mine. I wish I knew which button to push, then I know how to please you. Sad but true. So I just listening down the line while you're busy mixing grape with grain to relieve your pain. Songbird, you got tales to tell. How many times can you describe your living hell?
Testing, 1, 2, testing.
I knew you was going to do that. I knew you were going to. I knew I couldn't go and do a show without you. Come in, just.
Did I tell you can't whistle?
I was just getting to the high note too.
I'll do the high note.
Just your grace of us. Useful for receiving praise, receiving no one's pain. Let somebody love you just enough so you have everything you need to break. From all your pain, like a songbird, you got tales to tell. How many times can you describe your living hell? Not yet, but he's got no sense of music. Here we go.
Hang on, I got a call.
So it goes like this,
because you... Was that the wrong time? Was that sorry?
And you know there are children here, so no swearing.
No swearing.
Right.
Okay. I don't normally swear.
So here's the whistling part.
Okay.
It's really hard to whistle when you laugh. Here we go, songbird. Songbird, you got tales to tell. How many times can you describe your living hell? You can sing along. Let somebody love you just enough. Oh, let somebody love you just enough. You want to do the whistle part?
Okay.
Let somebody love you just enough. Somebody love you just enough. Here we go.
Okay, take it down. Alright, take it right down. Alright, thank you.
Please go away. Please go. Thank you, Gordy. Everybody needs a Gordy in their life.